What is traditional publishing? A traditional publisher invests in your book. They choose which books to publish and they completely take care of production, distribution and marketing. Since the publisher takes on the financial risk, they earn a large percentage of royalties from book sales, around 90 to 95%. The author, in return, receives an advance and are able to earn a small percentage of royalties from book sales. Securing a deal with a traditional publisher is extremely difficult. This is because traditional publishers only tend to publish celebrities or people with a huge following. If you're a new author, you can go through a literary agent who will help you connect with publishers and negotiate deals. However, thorough research is important because not all literary agents are genuine and you should do your research before signing with one. While getting a deal with a traditional publisher is difficult, there are quite a few perks. With traditional publishing, all you need to do is write your book. The publisher covers all expenses of editing, design and marketing. Yes, you get lower royalty rates, but the investment in such professional services can vastly improve your book's success. Having an esteemed publishing company behind your book can help boost your reputation and can help expand your audience. Even if you manage to land a deal with a traditional publisher, and that's a big if, it can still take years before your book hits the market. Plus, traditionally published authors only earn 5 to 15% in royalties per book sale as compared to 80 to 100% in self-publishing. So which one do you pick? Self-publishing or traditional publishing? Well, that depends on your goals as an author. How do you decide? We'll cover that in another video. Stay tuned. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!